So today we are going to learn few important formatting options. So what is the shortcut for inserting current date? If I wanted to insert current date, so we have to use control semicolon. So control semicolon is for current date, right? So if I'm going to use control semicolon on any cell, so I'll be getting this current date, and the format that I'll be getting, वो format कौन सा होगा? The format same that is in the control panel in the computer. So I'll be getting the same format. So this is control semicolon. So control semicolon for date. Now control shift semicolon for time. So control shift semicolon for time and control semicolon for date. Might be in your system the date format is slash or dot, so you'll be getting the same format here, and after that you can change the format. Now let us move forward. If I wanted to change the format, अब मुझे अगर change करना है format, so how can we change the format? Okay, let us see. So to change any format, I have to go to format cell, right? Format cell कैसे आते हैं? So I have to right click. So before right clicking on any cell, you have to just select the cell or range where you wanted to change the formats and other things. So in this example, I have to right click on this one, right click like this. So this is giving me format cells option. So I can go through these options, or in the home tab, I'm getting this one. So this is the second option, this corner, right? Or I can go with control 1. So control 1 is the shortcut for format cell. Control 1. So control 1 is the shortcut for format cell. Or I can go with this arrow, or I can go with right click and format cell. Now after going to format cell, the first tab is number. And under number, there are different types of data that we can store in Excel. Be it be number, be it be currency, accounting, time, date, कुछ भी जो हम store कर सकते हैं Excel में. And by default, it's automatically detecting that this cell contains date. So date में automatically select हो जाता है, right? Now after selecting on this date, यहाँ पर कुछ formats आ रहे हैं. So I can change the format like this. I can select and I can change the format. So it will change the format like this. अब मैं कोई भी date लिखूंगा 12th Jan 2020. So it will change the format like this. But I don't want it to change the format like this. These are the few limited formats that I'm having on this window. I just wanted to change to this format, something like this. 10th May 2020 21 space and then MON. So I just wanted this format into this, right? So this format is exactly not there in the list. ये list में है ही नहीं जो मुझे चाहिए. It's not there in the list. So what we can do, we can create our own format, which is known as custom format. हम अपना format create कर सकते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं custom format, right? So I can create our own format. Now, अगर आप home tab में जाएंगे, so there are multiple things: font, alignment, number, everything is there. Control 1 is there, so number, alignment, font, border is there, so border is there in the home tab. Fill, color and everything is there in the home tab, right? So home tab में few sections which is in the starting. So this contains each and every option that is there into that window. उस window में जो भी है वो यहाँ पर है. So either we can use into this one or I can go into this one. But now the purpose is that how to create a custom format. Custom format कैसे create कर सकते हैं? अब देख रहे हो यहाँ पर these are the few format, but I don't have the format that I really wanted into this cell. So custom format कैसे create करते हैं? Control यहाँ पर select करेंगे. I'll place my cursor into this one. Control 1 and in the first tab एक custom का format आता है. In the custom tab I can write the format that I want. कोई भी format में use कर सकता हूँ custom format में. Before using any format into this area, custom format, I have to understand that what are the rules for creating a custom format. मुझे एक बार समझना पड़ेगा कि custom format को create करने के क्या-क्या rules होते हैं. So let us see. Suppose this is the date, right? And I wanted to create a custom format. So let us see all the parameters that we can use here. Let us suppose we can use this D. D का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई बता सकते हैं? What stands for D? अगर आज 5 तारीख होता, इवन 9 होता, तो ओनली 9 आता, राइट? बट अगर 2 डिजिट है तो 2 डिजिट ही आएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. नाउ डबल डी, व्हाट इज डबल डी? 2 डिजिट, 909, 0 लग जाएगा और इसके केस में 10 ही आएगा. This is clear. Both the format is clear. Single D and double D. Double D 0 लग जाएगा if this is single digit date. नहीं तो 10, 11, 12 में तो same आएगा. It will work for same. Triple D. What stands for triple D? So triple D का मतलब हो गया, you will have to go with this one, which is MON. Day. 4 times D. क्या होंगे 4 times D?
Year.
This is 4 times D. Whole name. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is triple D का मतलब abbreviated form, 3 characters जो होते हैं. 5 times D. What is 5 times D? 5 times D does not exist. Simple. M. Single M. What could be single M? बता सकते कोई? Month in number, single digit. So this is May. So 5. Double M. 05. Triple M. तो May के केस में May ही होंगे, है ना? Let us take an example of Jan. So like this. 4 times M. Now, 4 times M is January. What is 5 times M? 5 times M is there. Excel is all about surprises. So 5 times M is there, which is the first letter of the month. Although it's not required, it's rarely required. But if you want somewhere to be written like this, so you can use 5 times M. Now, for year, we have 4 times, 2 times Y and 4 times Y. This is 21. This is 2021. Right. So these are the parameters which is used in date. Now just I wanted to create this format. ये format create करना चाहता हूँ, custom format. So 2 digit of the month. So day, sorry, DD. Then hyphen. Then 3 letters of the month, MMM. Then 4 digit of the year, YYYY. Comma, space would be there. Space is there. After that, triple D, 3 characters of a abbreviated form of a day. So this is the correct format. This one. This is the format that we can use in the custom. So let us check it out. So क्या करेंगे? I can directly copy. See, please do not copy like this. Control C. ऐसे copy नहीं करना है. It will not work there. So you can copy by directly clicking on the text, selecting the text. So Control C. Now what I'll do, I can select the entire column where I wanted. Control 1. Custom. I can write here also DD, MMM, but मैंने already copy किया, so I can paste it directly here like this. Click OK. Now in this column, it will work like that. Control semicolon. So I am getting this format. Right. After that, 12th June 1987. 14th April 2004. 13th September 1993. like this. So this is the format that we just created. एक क्वेश्चन है, अब मुझे क्या करना है, I just wanted to convert these dates, जो भी dates लिखा हुआ है, to their respective day, Thursday, Saturday, जो भी है, I just wanted to convert to. कैसे? Control 1, I can go with this control 1 and I can directly write D. Simple. वो सारे day में convert हो जाएगा. Right, everything. And I can use any format, कोई भी format create कर सकते हैं. Let's say these are the dates. I can go with this one, MMMYY. कभी ऐसे होता है ना, we generally you have to create this type of format, so we can use like this also. Now these were the formats for date. Now let us move into the time. अब आते हैं time पे. So for time, there are two formats. Suppose I have selected Control Shift semicolon. So I am getting this one, 2125. कोई बता सकते हैं this is 24-hour format or 12-hour format? 24. This is 24-hour format. The railway timetable. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So these are 24-hour format. Now the 24-hour format is like this. HH, MM. If I wanted the second also, I can go with SS. कर सकते हैं अगर seconds चाहिए तो. Now for 12-hour format, the format is HH, MM. If seconds चाहिए तो SS. Now in the end, I'll have to write AM/PM. If I wanted to AM, sorry, not question mark. This is AM/PM. So this is 12-hour format. Let us see. I'm going to select the entire column. Control 1, custom. Let's say HH, MM. Let's say SS. Now let us write any time. So this is showing 21:27:00. Now I wanted to convert it into 12-hour. So I have to write AM/PM like this. So automatically converted to this one, 9:27 PM. If I am going to write 16, तो क्या आएगा बताइए? 16:27 में क्या आएगा? 27, right? If I am going to write 11, so it's showing AM. If I am going to remove this AM/PM, so क्या करेगा? It will be converted to 24-hour format like this. If I am going to write 16, so 16 की तरह ही रहेगा like this. So these are the two formats for time, 12-hour and 24-hour. Let us see one question. Suppose these are the few people and their respective working hours is there. Let's suppose 9:45. अब यहां पर अगर मैं करता हूं, if I am going to use total, so this is giving me 4 hour 44 minute, right? 4 hour for 44 minute for this one total, which is absolutely wrong. वो गलत आ रहा result. So what is the mistake? How can we do this? I just wanted the total hours. See, the formula I have written is correct. There is nothing wrong in the formula, but the result is coming incorrect, right? I'm not getting the proper result. Why? Because the hour is in overflow. Overflow हो गया. Hours are not been basically captured. Hours, there is a default nature in Excel that if hours goes beyond 24, right, then automatically it's again start from 0. वो 0 से फिर start हो जाता है automatically. So if I wanted to store everything, see, if the seconds is more than 60, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा बताइए? If the second is more than 60, तो that will move into which one? If second is more than 60, then वो कहाँ जाएगा? Then it will move into minute. Yes, if minute is more than 60, then it will move into hours. But in this case, if hours is more than 24, then it's not basically collected. It's overflowing, overflow. Yeah. Now, how to store it?
Date also?
We can use square bracket. Square bracket. Only square bracket. Open and close in only hours, not in minutes and seconds. Automatically, it will be calculating the total hours. So there were only problem with the formatting that we had. So we have changed the formatting, and the formatting is HH. We can use single H also. Single H is there. MM. If I want seconds, then SS. So this is the correct format. H within square bracket and then MN and S. So this H will give the total number of hours. See, single H and double H both are same. Why same? Because this hour will be automatically 2 characters, 2-digit hours. So it's better to write H, single H. Single H में क्या होगा? अगर 9 है तो it will come as 9. अगर 0 double 9 है, yeah, something like this. So 09. It will come like this, right? So it's better to write single H only in this case. Double H लिख सकते, it's not required. Because what we have learned into this one, if hour is 9 and we have given H, right? Hour is 9 and we have given H, तो क्या आएगा? 9 ही आएगा. अगर double H है तो क्या आएंगे? What it will come? 09. Right. Now, in this case, hour would be 20, 30, 40, 50, which is itself a 2-digit. So it's not required to write double H. Automatically, single H will take care. However, you can write 2H. It's not mandatory. You can write. Yes. So we will learn different formulas. Just keep it simple as of now. इसको भी simple रखते हैं. Let's not make it complex right now. Right, because there are n number of formulas later on which is useful to convert any date or time to number of hours, something like this. So this is only for the custom formatting, nothing else, right? So we are going to use n number of formulas later on, but let us study this formula only, this format, nothing else right now. Now, so we have done with this date and time. Let us move into the numbers. See, in numbers, there are a few formats. Suppose I have written 45. So number could be like this. Something like this, 45.00. This could be the format, or the format could be INR 45.00. Yeah, 45 only. Something like this. There could be multiple formats for numbers. So let us see how to create a format for numbers. Suppose I have written 23. Now, what is the default format? क्या format है बताइए? Default format क्या आता है? Which is the default format? Now, let us see what is the default format for any numbers. अगर मैं numbers को यहाँ करता हूँ, let us I am going to select the number and decimal places 0. So after making each and every setting here, all the necessary settings I have done, I have removed the decimal places and I have selected the number. After doing all the changes, I will directly go to this custom. Custom में directly चले जाऊँगा. I'm showing the default format. The type is 0. Means 0 stands for number. If I'm going to use 0 means there is a number format. 0 का मतलब हो गया number. Now let us see how to check this one. ध्यान दीजिएगा यहाँ पर एक बार. I'm going to custom and this is 0. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिएगा. Keep your eye on this section. This one, general. It's written general. Now under custom, I have written 0. Whenever I am going to click on OK, यहाँ पर सिर्फ format को देखिएगा. What is converted? यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? Number. Means using this scenario or using this example, we have understood that the default format for any number equals to 0. 0 करने का मतलब हो गया कि मैं direct number को refer करना. Right? Like this. Now, I just wanted to add something into this one. If I wanted to add decimal, so क्या करेंगे? Custom format में 0.00. So it will make it 2 decimal places. 0.00 will 2 decimal places will be there. If I wanted to convert to 3 decimal places to 0.000, even we can go with 0.0. So it will say 1 decimal places. Right. So this is the format for any number. Now I just wanted to use INR or only something like this. So we can use double quotes. एक चीज ध्यान दीजिएगा, if I wanted to use anything within the custom format, any custom text inside the custom format, so we have to use double quotes. Double quotes means not single quote 2 types. ऐसा नहीं करना है. Double quote shift press करने के बाद whenever we are going to use this. So INR double quotes space. So I have used double quotes and I have just written INR inside that double quote. Click OK. So it will say INR 20. Let us see one example. I have selected the entire column. I am going to write INR within double quotes space 0.00. So this is showing 23, 45, 56, 67, 12. Now I am going to make the total. So total will also come like INR 203. Internally the number would be same. There is no change in the number. Only the display format would be changed. So this is clear. What is the use of 0? 0 is used to convert any data to a number and it will just pick that number whenever I am going to use it in custom format. So I have used INR. If I wanted to use only, let us see, I have to use only after that. So what we can use after 0.00, we can use double quotes and only like this. So we can use any custom text like this, any custom text. So we have learned 2 things from this example, that we can use any custom text using double quotes, be it be prefix or suffix. ये तो कर सकते हैं, आगे या पीछे कहीं पर भी लगा सकते हैं. Apart from this, the default format for number is 0. Okay. I'll go with this currency. ध्यान दीजिएगा. Here there are multiple symbols, so I can use this symbol. Decimal places, let's make it 0 and directly go to custom. Custom से मैं सब कुछ हटा दूंगा. I'll just only use this one. As this is not a customized text, this is the predefined text which is there already in Excel. So I'll not use double quotes. I'll use 0.00 or I can use only like this, which is customized text. So I can use this also. Total. So total is 158 only. Clear? Now this is clear?
Yes.
So this is how I can use any format, any number format. Now let us move forward. I just wanted to, let's suppose we have few numbers here. Now the positive numbers should be, the font color of positive numbers should be blue and the font color of negative numbers should be red. कैसे होगा बताइए? How can we do this? Font color of positive number blue and font color of negative number red, not the background color, only the font color. If I ask this question to 100 people, so 99% of the people will say that we can use conditional formatting. Right. Now, today we are going to learn how to use custom formatting. कैसे custom formatting को use करेंगे, and we can use this one. We can just convert the format. Let us see. How can we do this? So we will use custom format. So this is the format that I am going to use. Square bracket. ध्यान दीजिएगा. Square bracket. First for positive number. ध्यान दीजिएगा. First is for positive number. So I'll write blue like this. Square bracket close. Semicolon to separate the condition. Semicolon is used to separate multiple conditions. This one I'll write red. Bus, this is the format. Let us check. Control C. I'll go with this one. Control 1. Custom. Control V. अब आप बताइए नेगेटिव के लिए, नाउ दिस इज ओनली चेंजिंग द कलर, बट आई वांटेड टू चेंज द नंबर आल्सो, फॉर्मेट आल्सो, 0 करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर पॉजिटिव 0 एंड फॉर नेगेटिव, बताइए, फॉर पॉजिटिव 0 एंड फॉर नेगेटिव -0. कंट्रोल 1, कस्टम, कंट्रोल V, डन. देखा आपने. सो दिस इज शोइंग positive and negative numbers with different colors. Now we can use any standard colors here. कोई भी standard color use कर सकते हैं. Instead of blue, I can write green also. But this green will, sorry, this green will show the light green color. ये light green दिखाएगा. Right. We can use the standard color code, or also we can use like this. Color 10, like this, color 10, color 1, color 2. You can search Google and you can get the list of all the color codes that can be used in Excel. You can just write that how can we use custom colors in Excel number format. So you'll be getting the list of color codes. So let us see an example. एक example देखते हैं. Color 10. So color 10 is dark green, right? We can go with color 11. So this is showing something blue or purple. So this is how we can use this one, or we can use the standard color codes. This is clear.